there, Princess House family. I'm here and I'm super excited to share these online specials that are here only until August 23rd. Best part is you do not need a regular price item to qualify for these. You can just buy them and they can be added to a party. Do you want to serve up a colorful salad with some beautiful ribbons of comfort? Or how about peel off the skin of a tomato for your salsa? Well, I have the tool for you. It is a serrated peeler. Yes, it's a potato peeler or a carrot peeler or whatever type of peeler you want. It is on sale for $14, saving you $10.95. This one's great because you can peel it this way, forward, or you can peel it towards you, whichever way you feel more comfortable with, and it's on special right now. Are your knives getting dull? Do you have a knife sharpener? Well, I have a knife sharpener for you that's not only going to sharpen your knives, but also hone them. And it's for lefties or righties because our piece comes out for easy for lefties or your righties. The annual knife sharpener is on special right now for $19, saving you $13.95. Do you want to keep your cabinet organized? Do you want to be able to see what's in your cabinet and keep them fresh? We have our pH pantry solution for your cabinet. This is our 2-quart storage container, saving you $9.95 on special for $26. This one's great because you can fill it. It's really sealed tight. Fill it from the top, but then it seals tight, and then you can pour it from this lip right here. As you can see, I have my granola in there. It is perfect. You tried our cutlery, German steel, fully forged. Absolutely love it. This is our 3.5 paring knife, perfect for your prepping your strawberries or anything for your prepping. Use it to slice garlic or herbs, saving you $10.95. It's on special. It's on special right now for $29. It also comes with sleeve if you don't have our block. Is your kitchen drawer with your tools a mess and you can't find anything? I have the organizing tool for you. It rotates, and now you can put all your tools right inside. It has a front pocket for the littler tools, as you can see, and then the back 2 pockets, they're divided. It has 3 pockets for the bigger tool. This is going to be your fabulous utensil caddy. It is the large utensil caddy, saving you $20.95 on special for $39. Love when we have our small pieceware on special. This is our 3-quart saucepan, and it's perfect for whipping up your mac and cheeses or sauce or your veggies. It has the tempered glass heritage design and the handle, so that way it's all good. It is one you want to get. It's saving you $90.75. It's on special for $79. This one, get it for a gift. Here is our tri-ply 4-quart cast. Here is our heritage tri 14-quart simmer and shear pan. This is perfect for searing all those meats, making a big batch of chili, stew, anything like that. This is your go-to pan. It is elegant. It is beautiful. It is the tri-ply, so it goes stainless steel all the way up the top, then aluminum all the way up the top, and then stainless steel again. So everything is going to cook evenly. Just because it's wider, it is still going to fit on the burner, and everything is going to cook amazing. No problems there. You are saving $90.95. It's on special for $219. The last special that we have, I don't actually have, is our lid organizer, and it is on special for $34, saving you $12.95. This is great because you can actually use it for your lids, but you can also use it as a divider for your cookie sheets or your plates or anything like that to keep them standing in your cabinet. These aren't just your kitchen tools. They are to make a ticket to making cooking more fun and easy for you and for your family. Each one is designed to help you in the kitchen make it a little bit more easier. Don't miss out on these deals. They're only here till August 23rd. So head on over to my website or to the consultant at Ford Along.
Muy bien, Historia. Buenos días.
And remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself. Have a fantastic day.